Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel, 20BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, it's just this hoe. How are you all this fantastic week? Hope you're having a great one. Last thing we did, I think we did a taste test of Great Britain, and guys, she gone. Now, to be fair, I had 3 boxes of these. They're gone. I really want some more, but to order them, I can get them on Amazon. These Jaffa Cakes. Girl, they're like, I don't know, $20 a box or some craziness. I don't know what they put in these, but they are definitely made with love, which makes me love them. I'm so sad I don't have them here. They say there's some generic ones at Aldi, but is that Aldi in Great Britain or the U.S.? Things I want to know. Okay, I did not come here to show you more food. I just wanted to share that last Jaffa cake with you. It's sadness when the party's over. You guys have this over where you live? Topo Chico? Girl, I love it. When I quit drinking soda and coffee, I don't know, I needed some, something fizzy. Not that coffee had fizz, but you know, I just needed something fizzy. And so I tried that. I'm not a big fan of Perrier. I don't know why, because it's basically the same thing, right? It's sparkly mineral water. Anyway, this video is about, I got 2 new things. This shirt from Amazon, which I think it's one of those name shirts, but Yota sent it to me in an email. And I was like, I actually love that. I think it's like 22 bucks or something. I'm going to post it in the, I'll put it in the description box. But I absolutely love it. Like Chanel, Chanel, Chanel. I've known some people named Chanel, so it probably is for a person named Chanel, but you know me and my shirt obsession. So I have some fashion file today, girl. What? Okay. Jaffa cake. I am no longer, you notice I haven't had too many hauls in the last several months, because I quit buying a whole lot of stuff, and I will not buy anything unless I have the money for it, or I can do Klarna payments, which comes directly out of my money. So putting anything on a firm or a charge account or a credit card, we used to call them charge accounts years ago, but a credit card, she's not going to do it anymore. I have clearly run amok with those in the past. But yeah, I'm trying to be fiscally responsible, financially responsible, that is. And so yeah, the party is pretty much over. But I mean, I'm going to update my wish list according to what I think I can get this year as far as saving the money for it or putting it on the Klarna. I love those 4 payments. That's such heaven to me, because then I don't have to worry about it, and I definitely don't have to pay for it later. So anyway, this was a Fashion File reserve item that I've had on reserve for the whole 2 months. I took the whole 2 months and paid on it as I got paid. I paid a little here, a little there, and finally got it out the other day. So I just wanted to unbox with you because it is a Gucci item. I wish it was Chanel, girl, but I do not have Chanel money. No, ma'am. But I mean, I could save, but then I tell you this every time, I get to the point of where I have, you know, $1,400, $1,500, and I think, okay, I'm halfway to getting, you know, a nice pre-loved Chanel, and then I blow it on something else. But yeah, but I'm all about saving for the item and not extending myself out in credit now. I don't think I can anymore. I think I'm maxed on everything. That's the problem. Actually, I'm not, but girl, we don't want to go there. That funfetti. See, I could do without the funfetti. I don't. I don't give a dang about that stuff. But anyway, it is Gucci, and the little thing said it came with the box. Ooh, I love when things come with all of the bells and whistles, hon. Okay, let's take this little thing. I don't know why I'm being so gingerly. It's just a fashion file piece of paper. But it does have its little box. It's tiny. Ooh, what did she get? So yeah, it has what's actually in the box on the description. We've got this little fashion file. Comes in handy. Dust bag. Oh my gosh, this thing is cuter than I thought. What? Remember, this was on my wish list, girl. So this is the, let me read it off to you. It is the Gucci calfskin Metallase. I don't know how you say that. GG coin. Yes. So it is the, you know, they make this in a little mini, which is slightly bigger than this. But I wanted the tiniest thing they had because I just think it is super cute. Look. What? I love the heart. I know people are not about that heart on the back. I'm all about her. So there we go. Give it a spin. Ooh, it's so soft. Now I don't have any kind of Gucci like this. As a matter of fact, I don't have any. I have some loafers, but I don't have any Gucci bags anymore. I sold that little bag that I bought because I just didn't carry it. I've sold a lot of things. Ooh, she's trying to get right. Look at this little OMG. What's going to fit in there? Just some cards. Because it's a coin case. So coins, dollar bills. If I ever had any, that'd be great. I don't. And, you know, some cards. Your debit card, your insurance card, your driver's, credit cards if you still use them. Who are you? If you are responsible. All right. So there was one little flaw on this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just one tiny rub right there, I guess, from somebody going in and out of their coin. Could I maybe take this little strap off and put on a crossbody one? I could, because there's little, look, you just slip that through there and then affix it to that. Girl, I would. I'm that crazy. I would do that. The tiniest crossbody. I love this so much. I think I am going to put a bigger one, just slightly bigger one, on my wish list. I'm going to keep this. I like it. I love it that much. Ooh, she smells so good. What else came in the box? This silky little Gucci dust bag. It looks like a pillow. Look at this. Isn't that weird? Huh. It's cute. So cute. But yeah, she goes right in here. Let's see. OMG, she's adorable. She's better than I even thought she would be, girl. I love it. Yes! And I love that I just paid for her, and you know what? I don't owe anybody for this purchase, so love it. It came with the original, look at this. It's got, I love when people do this because it's so easy to sell if I ever resell. And of course, if you buy it originally, you should keep all the stuff with it because people love that. I do. I think it's great. It came with the little cards, and I think it's got, okay, it's got the little SKU card or little item number on there. OMG, so cute. I'm dead. As my kids say, I'm dead. I love it! You know, after I get off of this video, I'm going to try to put a little crossbody chain on her. Who is she? I love the details. I just think it's adorable that they made such a tiny, tiny bag. And tiny bags are my thing. Okay, so that is really all I wanted to show you today. Let's do, you know what? Let's do an updated wish list according to me paying for everything this year instead of getting weak and throwing out a credit card. So let's see. I still want the Gucci Ace sneakers, and I don't care if they have a bee or, a strawberry or tiger, or I don't care if they're men's or women's. I just want a pair of Gucci Ace sneakers in, with the green and the red. I'll show them up here. I still want that. That's on my wish list. I still want a multicolored Trouville LV bag. I'm loving that. That is something doable. They aren't too crazy in the resale. Of course, they're a vintage item, so I would have to search it out in resale or pre-loved. Pay no attention to my heating and air, which switches on intermittently. Let's see. Okay, so I want Gucci Ace sneakers. That's still on my list. Yeah, I still want the Trouville. As far as LV goes, man, they jacked up the prices so dang much. There's one thing, and I think I could have bought this item 2 years ago. Check it out right here. It's like a Noe pouch. I really like it, and I have liked it from the moment I saw it. And I swear to you, I think it was close to like $5.90 when it came out, and now it's $8.10, $8.20, maybe $8.70. It's up there. Resale on it, people are asking, $1,500, $2,000. So there's no way to get it on the pre-loved or even on Fashion File, because Fashion File, they find out an item is sought after and they jack it up 3 times as much. So yeah, but yeah, those are like what come to mind. What? I really want this MCM tiny tote bag. It looks like my Sac Plat, the LV. It's about the same size. I saw a lady do a video on this the other day, and I was hooked. I was like, yep. And it is a third, maybe a quarter of the price. Yeah, a quarter of the price of the LV one. So totally doable. So those are some things on my wish list that I can see. Beyond that, I still would love to have a Chanel bag, but girl, she'd have to sell 5 or 6 of her normal bags to get that, and she's not gonna do it. But anyway, I'll post the link for these t-shirts. Hopefully they're still available. If you want one, go on Amazon and check them out. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and hope you will subscribe. I hope you will hit that like button, and I hope you'll comment on your updated wish list. Tell me what you want to get out of this year, and are you going to charge anymore? Join with me in solidarity and never use the charge cards again. Let's make a pact. Let's just put them down. There I go again. It's like me saying purse and my husband saying pocketbook. You guys say credit cards, I say charge account from 1972. Who is she? Get it together, Winnie B. All right, now listen. If y'all see my husband, though, these are top secret things. Don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh, you're having a bad hair day, love. God. Crikey. God blimey. Bullocks. It's not doing good.